Hi, everyone. I'm Mark Rosenthal with you on this Saturday afternoon with a special weather update. We are recording this as of about 4:15 this afternoon. Snow is coming, but Ray's New Garden Restaurant, the show must go on. Jim and Koki Golden are filling in for Joanna Jethro Mills tonight at 8:30. So come on down, sing, drink, we'll have some fun. We can tickle Ray. He loves to be tickled, very special spot that I know that he likes. All right, we have a thump of snow coming. It's a fast mover, cold Monday and Tuesday, warming up late next week, but we are in a very unstable weather pattern. The long-range models have no clue what's going on, so it's a day-by-day, kids. All right, here's the deal. We have a winter storm warning in the pink zone, basically 495 points west. The purple zone, including Boston, 128, a winter weather advisory. Boy, it's cold enough for snow. Temperatures are running in the teens and 20s across a good chunk of New England. Notice the below zero air, 10 below in eastern Canada, and another surge of very cold air coming out of western Canada down to the plain states. This is coming for New England Monday and Tuesday in modified form, but baby, it will be cold. You want it warm in the 70s. Joanne Mills is loving that. She's suntanning, she's doing her midi-pedis, and she's counting her money. As we look at the northeast temperatures, if you can see this, it's about 23 in Boston as of about 4 o'clock. The dew point's 1 below, but here's the leading edge of the snow from about Rutland, Vermont into southwestern New Hampshire, snowing now in Worcester as of 4 o'clock. In point southwest, some moderate snow in eastern Long Island, and this precipitation extends all the way back into Pennsylvania, where there are some pockets of rain and freezing rain now in southern Pennsylvania. And some of this milder air may get into southernmost New England very late tonight as the storm pulls away. All right, this is the meso-analysis, if you will, and I want, and you will. We have high pressure located in eastern Canada. Still some dry air in easternmost New England, but that's on the way out. Here's the storm. The primary storm back into the Great Lakes is moving like this, but this warm front is slowly moving to the north with a surge of warm air overriding the very cold, dry air. That's why we're looking for a pretty good burst of snow into the greater Boston area over the next several hours as we get what we call overrunning, where the warm air overruns the cold air. Now, Chatham radar, as of about 4:15, shows a pretty decent band of moderate snow coming into central Connecticut, just to the southwest of Worcester. It's moving off to the east-northeast in this fashion, about 15 to 20 miles an hour. But this whole shield will be overspreading a good chunk of New England over the next several hours. National radar backs me up with precipitation all the way back into the Great Lakes in the form of snow. You see rain now coming into western Pennsylvania, sleet, as we showed you before, southern Pennsylvania, and then rain south of that. But I still think in Boston it's going to be mostly a snow event, because by the time the warm air gets in here, the precipitation is just going to shut down. So by 1 o'clock in the morning, here's your primary storm back into the Great Lakes. There's a funky weather front just like this, an occluded front coming through Boston with a secondary weak storm in this position. Everything north of this line is still precipitating through a good chunk of ski country, where they're going to get a pretty decent amount of snow, but dry air coming up from the southwest 2-3 o'clock in the morning shuts the precipitation down from Boston southwest. Notice there is another cold front coming down the Great Lakes. This will speed in here by tomorrow afternoon with building clouds and maybe a late day flurry or snow squall. Behind that, more cold slated to come in, as we've been saying, for Monday and Tuesday. So quickly, the forecast for the balance of the afternoon: snow developing, very cold, teens and mid-20s. Then overnight, snow could be moderate to heavy at times for several hours. I think the worst of it's done by 1 a.m., we say 2 a.m. Could end in a little rain or sleet or freezing drizzle in Boston. Temperatures rising slowly, 26 to 34. It'll be coldest west of the city. How much snow? Well, I'm going to stick with the same map. Again, do I think we'll see 6 inches in Boston? No, I don't. Do I think we'll see probably 3, 4, 5? Yes. So in that red zone from Boston, southern Worcester County, 3 to 6. Of course, including the North Shore, 2 to 4 from Plymouth to Providence, 1 to 3 in the Cape, northern Worcester County up through ski country, 4 to 8. Some pockets could see more than that, or some stations could see more than that. Here's your 7-day forecast, hot off the press. Tomorrow, variable clouds. It could get close to 40, turning colder late, maybe with a flurry. Low in mid-teens by Monday morning. And Monday, sun clouds and cold in the 20s. Tuesday, partly sunny, near freezing. Warming up a little on Thursday, mid-30s. And then milder Thursday and Friday, lots of sun, mid-40s. A new storm could give us some rain or snow by next Saturday and Sunday, but you know something? That is a whole week away, and I know every day it's going to look different from that for that time period. So why am I going to put my nails into that solution? I will not do it. All right, I'm done. I'll see you at Ray's New Garden Restaurant tonight, but seriously, be careful on the roadways. I'm Mark Rosenthal.